Hi friends, today we will learn to play na tita, ta tita and TIREKITE. These three simple bowls, basic bowls of tabla. So first of all, see how to play na on tabla. Four fingers are closed and these are kept on tabla in this way. These are just kept on tabla. These are not pressed like this. Just keep on tabla. Just keep this thumb away from this first finger. Lift middle finger in this way. Lift first finger in this way and use this portion of the tabla, this portion of the first finger to play na and ta. So first of all, see how to play na. Middle finger is lifted, first finger is lifted and third finger is just touched to ink of tabla. This is the ink of tabla. I use this finger, turn it and play. So play na on this sati. So this portion is used to play a chati na. And when you play a na, remove the finger immediately. Don't keep it in touch with the chati. It reduces the sound intensity. So when you play it, remove it immediately in this way. Now we will see how to play a ta. So for playing a ta, this ground and this chati both are used. Half part of this ground and half part of this chati it is used, and this part of first finger. So ta is played here. Half portion of the chati, half portion of the ground, and here it is played. It sounds like a ta. So ta and na is played here. Na, ta, na, ta, na. Now we will see how to play TITE. So for playing TITE, these two fingers are used, first and middle finger. So for playing TITE, once again four fingers closed together. Lift middle finger, lift first finger and press this middle finger on the center of tabla. So here T, here it is T. So T and T both are played at the center of tabla. So here I am once again playing T, T. Now while playing T, this finger it should be closed to third finger, in this way. T, T. Now we will play ta, ta, ti, ta. So ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. So practice this 5,000 times. It will play good sounds. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Play in a rhythm. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Ta, ta, ti, ta. Now we will see how to play TIREKITE. So there are different styles of playing TIREKITE. So we play our simplest style to play TIREKITE. So for playing TIREKITE, this word is used but in different style. So T is played in the same way as that of TITE. So play T. So while playing T, lift this finger in this way. T. Now playing R, use the first finger R. But while playing R, take this third finger just away. T, R. T, R. Just slide this finger over the surface. T, R. T, R. T, R. T, R, T, R. Now how to play key? So key is played on the left side, that is a dagga. So close four fingers, keep this palm around the ink in this way. Don't press it, just touch it. Now lift the fingers and press it. It will be a sound of key. It is a key, and don't keep in this way, just lift. Key, key. Now how to play T? So T is played with the help of three fingers in this way. T. So you will play it combined now. T, R, key, T. So while playing T, this finger, first finger should be lifted. It should not be here, it should not be here, it should be lifted. So it sounds T. Sorry. T, R, T, T. 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 So we will play now ta ta TIREKITE. 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 Now we will see how to play ta TIREKITE ta. So it is played like this: ta TIREKITE ta, 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 ta TIREKITE ta. Now we will add some bowls here. We will add dha TIREKITE, ta TIREKITE. So how to play dha? So we know that how to play a ghe on the dagga. So in this way, ghe is played with the help of middle finger in this region. Lift middle finger, play ghe, play ta. So combinedly it sounds dha, dha, and next is ti, r, ti, t, dha, ti, r, ki, t. We will see now dha, ti, r, ki, t and ta, ti, r, ki, t. Ta,